For my series project, I decided to focus on the element of texture. I chose to focus on texture because it is visually interesting and I was able to work with a wide variety of subjects while still sticking with a particular theme. By focusing on texture, I was not limited to taking pictures of one object. Instead, I was able to take photos of many different images. I took the pictures around my house and neighborhood, capturing images both inside and outside. I took pictures at different levels and focal points. I also tried to capture images in the morning when the light was optimal for bringing out texture. I used both automatic and manual camera settings.